guys, it's Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel, Liz Self Adventure. So today I have a for real Poop-A-Lot. I have the dog. So I have this dog. I have this, which goes with the leash. So this is all the leash. This is to pick what the dog leaves. And here's its little treats. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how you would build it and how it works. So basically the first thing you'll need to do is take this one and put it back here. And then that. And then you take this and put it in. Like that. Then you put this in there and this at the tippy top. And basically that's what you do to build the leash. So then you have this basically that that you can put the dog treats in. Hard to get all of them at one time. So basically a way is to put them all in one pile. And then you can hang it up here. And you can go for a nice stroll with your reel. Which I named mine Emma. That Emma would be a cute name for her. So yeah, let's feed her. So this is what happens when you feed her. So give her, I'm gonna give her a treat at a time. So then once you do that, you walk her and then that happens. And then you take the scooper and pick it up. Then give her another treat. Okay, so now all I gotta do is now that there's two, aim exactly where they're, and then okay, I'm gonna give it another treat, and then I wanna go ahead and walk it. I'm just gonna give it its last two treats other than just keeping him and not giving it to the puppy. Well, Emma. I called Emma that because I thought that was a cute name, and as well, I really like her eye color. So yeah, she's walking all the way over there. Okay, let's give Emma her last treat. There you go, Emma.